Welcome to our comparison video, where we will take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine and the Mini Portable Washing Machine. Both are designed for small spaces, but they have distinct features that cater to different needs. Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. The BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine boasts a total capacity of 17.6 pounds, which includes 11 pounds for washing and 6.6 pounds for spinning. This makes it ideal for larger laundry loads. In contrast, the Mini Portable Washing Machine has a capacity of 11 liters, making it suitable for smaller loads and perfect for travel or limited space. If you frequently do laundry for multiple items, the BANGSON may be the better choice. The BANGSON features a compact, twin-tub design that allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, making it efficient for laundry tasks. However, it is bulkier compared to the Mini Portable Washing Machine, which has a foldable design that makes it incredibly easy to store and transport. This makes the Mini Portable Washing Machine a great option for travelers or those with very limited space. The BANGSON offers multiple wash modes including soft, normal, and drain, along with a soaking function providing versatility for different laundry needs. On the other hand, the Mini Portable Washing Machine emphasizes eco-friendliness with its S+ Clean technology, making it a great choice for environmentally conscious users. Each machine has its unique strengths, catering to different priorities. In conclusion, both the BANGSON and Mini Portable Washing Machines have their advantages depending on your needs. If you require a larger capacity and more functionality, the BANGSON is the way to go. However, if portability and eco-friendliness are your main concerns, the Mini Portable Washing Machine is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.